Today, we're diving deep into a legendary coin that continues to capture the imagination of collectors and treasure hunters alike. Picture this. The year is 1979, and the U.S. Mint releases a bold tribute to one of America's most influential women. This is the story of the 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar coin, a small, unassuming piece of American currency that, in a twist that rocks the numismatic community, has been valued at a jaw-dropping $200,000. Yes, you heard that right. A coin minted for circulation, now worth over $1 million. Intrigued? You should be, because what you're about to discover might just transform the way you look at spare change forever. Before we go any further, let's make it crystal clear. We're talking about the 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar coin, and a specimen of this very coin has stunned experts and collectors with an astonishing value of $200,000. Why is this coin worth so much, and what secrets does it hold? Stay with me, because every detail of this story is essential. Let's start at the beginning. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was born out of a desire to honor a true pioneer of social justice. In 1979, the U.S. Mint introduced this historic coin, not only as the first U.S. coin to depict a real woman rather than an allegorical figure, but also as a symbol of progress and equality. The portrait of Susan B. Anthony, fierce, determined, and instantly recognizable, is surrounded by the word liberty above, the year 1979 below, and the famed P Mint mark to indicate Philadelphia, the mint where this coin originated. But not all 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollars are created equal. Most were minted in tremendous numbers, hundreds of millions in fact, making them relatively common. For decades, these coins passed through ordinary hands, spent in grocery stores, slotted into vending machines, stored away in jars and piggy banks. So how could one become so rare, so valuable, that it would make headlines and cause an uproar in the numismatic world? To understand, we need to explore both the broader history of this coin and the secrets behind its most coveted rarities. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was actually something of a disappointment in general circulation. Its similar size and color to the quarter led to mass confusion. Everyday Americans simply didn't take to it, and many were quickly removed from daily transactions. As a result, uncirculated and proof coins started piling up, making high-grade, common Susan B. Anthony dollars relatively accessible for collectors. Most are worth just $1 or $2 above face value. So what makes our $1 million marvel so different? Here's where numismatic knowledge becomes your most powerful tool. In the world of coin collecting, it's not enough for a coin to simply be old. Rarity, condition, errors, and historical significance all play crucial roles in determining value. The 1979 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar we're focusing on isn't just any ordinary specimen. It is an ultra-rare variety, a coin that embodies all the key characteristics that collectors crave: exceptional minting quality, a unique story, and a tantalizing error that sets it apart from the rest. Let's dig deeper into mint errors for a moment. Throughout U.S. history, some of the most desirable and valuable coins are those that display unintentional mistakes, double strikes, off-center images, and die varieties that change a seemingly ordinary issue into a thrilling discovery. The 1979 P dollar coin holds one of the most famous errors of modern mintage, the wide rim, or near-date variety. Unlike the narrow rim, where the date appears a bit farther from the edge, the wide rim brings the date strikingly close to the rim, so much that it looks like it's ready to spill off the face of the coin. This version was produced for only a short period and is dramatically scarcer in uncirculated, pristine grades. Now, imagine a coin that not only displays the wide rim variety, but is also struck with unparalleled sharpness, a specimen that, upon close inspection, appears untouched by time. No fingerprints, no bag marks, no smudges. That is the coin that took the collecting world by storm. Furthermore, some of these coins can show remarkable double strikes or possess other unique minting errors making them even more desirable. But it's not just the variety or condition, it's also about provenance and market demand. When a coin with these characteristics comes up at auction, and its pedigree can be traced back to an original government-issued roll or bag, the anticipation is electric. Bidders from around the world clamor for a chance to own a piece of numismatic history. And once in a while, it only takes two determined collectors, each eager to complete the finest Susan B. Anthony set in existence, to launch the price into the stratosphere. That's how, in a record-breaking event, a single 1979p Susan B. Anthony wide-rim dollar in mint state, with flawless features and impeccable provenance, commanded a hammer price of $1,200,000. But let's pause for a second and ask, could there be more like this out there? What if an ordinary person has a similar treasure hiding in a coin jar or inherited from a relative? The answer is yes, it's possible. While the $1 million coin is truly one of a kind due to its exceptional preservation, other high-grade examples can be worth a fortune. Advanced collectors, dealers, and even casual hobbyists have scoured their coins, hoping to spot that near-date wonder or an elusive mint error. Now you might be sitting there, itching to go through your change, wondering exactly what to look for. Let's get practical, because the story doesn't end with just one coin. The 1979p Susan B. Anthony isn't just valuable because of its scarcity. It represents a whole world of opportunity for collectors. Start by examining your coins for these vital clues. First, check the distance between the date and the rim. If the date sits closer than normal, you might have a wide rim. Next, look for unusual features, misaligned strikes, doubling, or odd shapes in the lettering or portrait. Lastly, examine the coin's surface. Coins in mint state, especially those certified by reputable grading services like PCGS or NGC as MS67 or higher, can command premium prices far beyond face value. And here's where curiosity really pays off. Imagine the thrill of finding a coin most people ignore, but only you recognize as a potential treasure. This is the heart of coin collecting, a lifelong pursuit filled with excitement, mystery, and the allure of discovery. Each time you look at your pocket change or inherit coins from a family member, you have the chance to unlock a hidden story, a secret that might change your life forever. Let's go even deeper, because the saga of the Susan B. Anthony dollar is full of fascinating twists. Did you know that before her appearance on the dollar coin, no other American woman, apart from allegorical figures like Lady Liberty, had graced a circulating U.S. coin? Or that the design was originally intended for a larger octagonal coin resembling a stop sign, but public reaction led to the more familiar round edition? Each detail adds another layer of intrigue and underscores why the 1979p Susan B. Anthony dollar is more than just a coin. It's a symbol of progress, controversy, and hidden potential. Now, the question on everyone's mind: what are the odds of finding one yourself? The honest answer is that the $1 million coin is supremely rare. But that doesn't mean there aren't valuable Susan B. Anthony dollars slipping through the cracks of everyday commerce. Some wide-rim coins in beautiful, uncirculated condition have sold for thousands of dollars. Even rare errors and misstrikes have been discovered years after the coins left the mint, tucked away in forgotten collections or among rolls ordered from the bank. The world of currency is filled with stories of ordinary people stumbling upon extraordinary finds, a reminder that the next treasure is always just a coin toss away. The key is to keep your curiosity alive, to continue learning and observing. Coin collecting isn't just about the money. It's about the hunt, the research, the joy of discovering something overlooked by the masses. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a curious newcomer, the story of the 1979p Susan B. Anthony dollar coin should inspire you to look closer at the world around you, to appreciate the artistry, history, and intrigue hidden in plain sight. If you found this story as captivating as I did, and you want even more mysteries, tips, and exclusive coin values revealed every week, Make sure you subscribe to Coin Value Guide right now. We're on a mission to uncover the world's most valuable, curious, and overlooked coins, so you can be the first to know when fortune strikes. Remember that humble coin in your pocket? It could be the next million-dollar marvel. Stay curious, keep searching, and never underestimate the secrets that coinage from the past might hold in store for your future.